Hi there, Tenzi here. Our flower starts with a slip knot and insert your hook through the slip knot. Tighten your loop and chain 6. Now go back to the first chain, insert your hook through it and do a slip stitch so you can make a ring. Pull your loop through all the loops on your hook and then chain 3. So that chain 3 actually counts as 1 half double crochet and then the 2 chains between the half double crochets that we're going to be doing right now. So yarn over 1 time around your hook, go into the ring, draw a loop, and now pull through all the 3 loops on your hook. And this is your half double crochet. You can keep the tail trapped in the ring, so when you work your stitches around it, it's already weaved in. And chain 2. And do 1 more half double crochet. And you repeat that for a total of 8 half double crochets in the ring, counting the first chain as a half double crochet as well. So here what we have here, we have 8 posts in the ring. When you reach the end, go into that last chain here, into the stitch of the chain, pull through it and pull that loop through the loop on your hook. And now you have closed the ring. Now with your hook, go into the space between the posts here and do a slip stitch. And now we're going to be making those little petals here. And this way we're going to be doing each petal in each space. Chain 2, yarn over and do a double crochet. Yarn over and a double crochet, which is draw a loop, pull through the first 2 loops, pull through the next 2 loops, and then chain 2 and single crochet into your space, into the same space of the petal. And we have the first petal. Then we're going to be repeating this in each petal. Single crochet into the next space, chain 2, 2 double crochets into the same space, and then chain 2 and single crochet into the same space. And we're going to be keep repeating that into each chain space here for a total of 8 petals. So again, single crochet into that space and you continue building your next petal. When you reach the last petal, single crochet into that last space for that last petal, and then you can just chain 1 and cut your yarn off here. So now you can either use a hot glue gun and just glue your flowers on your bag, or you can just sew them with a needle and a thread. So you need to make, for this bag, I'll have 3 rows of 3s, so 9 flowers. And for that last one, I'll make it in a black color. So you need 8 yellow ones and 1 black, following the same pattern for the flower. So if this flower or the bag idea gave you an inspiration, please like this video and watch the next video that's coming up for another bag. Don't forget to take the wrinkles out. I use the steamer, that's why I have some wet spots here. And I'll glue my flowers. Spread your flowers equally, measure both sides and make a grid and put them on equal distance.